Hi. I have created a Discord alert message library in the TradingView Pine script. About 1 or 2 years ago, I made a video explaining how to send alert signals from TradingView to a Discord server. But the entire process was not so smooth. First, it involved going to this website called Discord Webhooks Guide. Here you can choose which kind of message you want. For example, a message with a title. It will look like this on the Discord. But this message is in JSON format, and Pine script requires it in string format. So, we have to Google JSON to string. Open any of these websites. Copy the JSON here. Click Convert. And here we get the string. Then we use this string in our Pine script code. We have to repeat this entire process for all such message types. Also, we need to replace this word with our own Pine script variables that may carry important data like candle closing price or the value of some indicator. This variable replacement part is also not so easy. So I decided to create a Pine script library that will handle most of these jobs. I will tell you how to use this library in your indicator, but first, let's create a Discord server. Log into Discord. Click the Add a Server button. Select the Create My Own button. Now select the For Me and My Friends button. Give a name to the server. And hit the Create button. My server is now ready. Here in the Text Channel section, click this Settings icon. On this page, click the Integrations option. Now, click the Create Webhook button. Click the Create Webhook button again. Our webhook is ready. Click here. And copy the webhook URL. We will need this URL later while setting up the alert. OK. The job on the Discord is done. Now, let's create a simple indicator and use the library in it. See. I have created this simple indicator that fires an alert on every new candle. I want to send the candle's close value via the alerts to the Discord server. Let's see how to do that using the library. First, this is an indicator function named Import Discord Alert Library. To import my library, write this line as shown. This number indicates the library version. If I update the library in the future, this number will increase. This last word is the nickname of the library. You may give any name you want. Then, we call the getMessage function of this library. This function has several attributes, like username, content, avatar, title, color, URL, and image. I have used these attributes from the Discord Webhook Guide website. You may use any attributes from this list as you want. For example, I have used username, title, color, and content attributes here. See, the username is @wala. The title is the closing price of the candle on which the alert fires. This could be anything you want, like the value of some indicator, buy or sell words, anything. For color, I have set a few colors in the library itself. You can use them like this. Here we are using green color. And finally some content text. This library will generate an appropriately formatted message for us. We store this message in a variable. You may name this variable anything you want. And finally, we use this message variable in our alert. I have used the alert function here. You may use the alert condition function as well. OK. Now, let's set up the alert and see the output. Add this indicator to the chart. Now, click these 3 dots. Select this first option. Do not change anything in this section. Select an expiry date for the alert. Give a name to the alert from here. And now, the most important part. Click the Notifications option. In this window, turn on the Webhook URL option. And paste the webhook URL that we had copied from Discord. Click Apply. And click Create. See, the alert is on now. As soon as the current candle closes, we will get an alert. And see, we get our first alert. Let's check the Discord server. If you are on this page, click the escape button. And see, our alert has arrived on our server. We see username as woh.it.wala here. This is the content message. The green color is shown here on the left-hand side of the message box. And see the main part, the title. Here, it shows the close value of the candle where the alert appeared. So my new Discord library has made this entire process much simpler than before. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.